Hey, welcome back guys. So in this video I am going to tell you how can you access all step plus live recorded videos that will help you to crack step plus. So earlier many viewers from you already know that earlier more than 4 or 5 videos was uploaded on this channel that was later removed. So in this video I am going to tell you how can you access all that step plus live recorded videos. So for that what you have to do, open your Chrome, Google, whatever search engine you use for searching, and in search bar type Solograde and search it. After that the first link which appear in front of you, you can see here solograde.com. You have to click on that link. After that this type of interface will appear. You can see here a step plus option, and here is also a step plus option. So for a step plus videos you have to choose this one. You have to click on this step plus option, and you can see here a blog. You can read this blog. It will help you to know all the information related to step plus. And for step plus videos you have to scroll down. Here you can see step plus video number 2, and for video number 2, 3, 4, 5 you have to click on this next videos button. After that again scroll down, and you can see here step plus video number 3. For next videos you have to do the same, scroll down and click on next video option, and now you can see here video number 3 is loaded. So this way you can access all the step plus videos. And if you want to prepare for a step plus assessment, and if you are searching for a step plus grammar questions and speaking questions, so you can also all that question only from here. So for that you have to click on this step plus option, and here you can see three links: step plus assessment questions and answer, general English grammar questions and answer, and English grammar test. After now more questions will be added in this section, so keep checking this section. For now here is only three links. So if you want grammar question, open any of these three links, and you can see here grammar questions. Lot of grammar questions are here which are frequently asked in step plus assessment. So if you want to check answer, you can click on this view button, or if you want to test yourself that you have selected right or wrong answer, for that you have to choose any option from these four options. If that answer will be right, then that option will be green, and if you have selected wrong answer, then that option will be automatically red. So this way you can access all the content from here. And if you are searching for PDF questions related to step plus, like grammar questions, speaking question, or interview questions, so you can join our Telegram channel. That link I have already added in this video description, and you can also follow us on Instagram.